Hi, this is Kim. Today, we will do the multiple space leave by flask. Flask means it's web. Yep, it's a web. So, before I will explain about that, I will show you a demonstration. Okay, I will make room to leave. And second thing is, okay, we have two rooms to leave. And here. So I will run this application C140 and C140. Click issues, visit here and get the token. Okay, here and login. You can get the token here. You must log in before that. Copy and here and your full email. Then submit. If you submit, just wait. Here are room listed here, and this is last activity time, and check and submit. Blah 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 blah. And here the removed from space, then the two rooms are removed. Very simple. Okay, so I will explain about the code. First, start the web daemon, flask daemon, and at the flask, this root is executed, and index.html is run. It shows this one. So user can input the email and the token. And then if the user clicks submit, this action calculate is linked. Here at Flask, about the dash and the slash calculate. Then room information is coded here, and C140 HTML is run. At the variable list, it includes title, ID, and time. Check, and submit. And if you submit this one, it's linked to the get. At the Flask, at the get, here, it gets the room list and then exit. Then print out, maybe down. Let's see the code. Actually, this code is made with 3 files. So C140.python and index.html and C40.html. Here, Flask. Maybe you know about that. And this is Flask root and nothing. And just rendering is HTML. And HTML here is put the email, put your token, and it's connected into calculate. Here, calculate. So character 1, here, character 1 is email, character 2 is token. And character 1 and character 2 is email and token here. What's this one? This is blah 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 data store. So if you want to use the variable in the multiple apps, you can use data store. Later in another app, this is one app, and this is another app. In another application in Flask, if you want to use again, use this one. All right. Okay. And this is header, and this is the request to get the room details, max 1000, and it print out the room last activity time and title and ID, and it's added in the each two. Each two is a list, and finally list is each two is appended in the list. So, and finally list is transferred to 140. Before that, it did a sort based on time. All right, and 140, the list is here, and 140 is here, and the list is print out here. And this is item 0 and item 1, maybe time and title, and ID is a value. So if we check the checkbox, the value, the room ID is transferred. All right, here action is get, here get, and from the my checkbox, the get the room list to leave. And here the token and the email is used again, and it sends the room number to get the membership ID. And if I got the if the personal email ID is matched with the email, then it leave the room. Actually, this is leave logic and print out. Maybe down check again. It's very simple. It's very simple and web application, but but it's not. We need a web server. How can we get the web server? Next time I will explain how to upload to web server. Okay. Bye bye.